In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin using PayPal step by step. First, log into your PayPal account. At the top of the screen, you'll see several options, and the first thing you'll notice is your PayPal balance. Swipe over until you see the section labeled Crypto and tap on it. Here, you'll find different options to buy, sell, send, or receive crypto directly within PayPal. For this walkthrough, we're going to buy Bitcoin, so tap on Buy. Then select Bitcoin as your crypto of choice. Now enter the amount you'd like to purchase. PayPal allows you to buy as little as $1 worth of Bitcoin. Or you can choose larger amounts like 20s, 50, or even hundreds of dollars. You can also decide whether you want to make a one-time purchase or set up recurring buys every day, week, 2 weeks, or month. For this example, I'll just make a one-time purchase, so I'll enter $1 and tap Next. On the next screen, you'll choose your payment method. At the top, you'll see any linked bank accounts, but you can also use a debit card or link a new bank account if you prefer. I'll select my linked bank account and tap Next. Now you'll see a summary of your purchase, showing the amount of Bitcoin you're buying, the exchange rate, the transaction fee, and the total cost. If everything looks correct, simply tap Buy Now at the bottom to complete your purchase. That's all it takes to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. If you're buying Bitcoin with PayPal today, here's a way to lower your costs on the money moving side. Wise is a great companion for funding crypto purchases on exchanges that accept bank transfers or debit cards. You get fast transfers, excellent exchange rates, and multi-currency balances, which can be a lot cheaper than paying PayPal's FX spreads when you're moving money across borders. Right now, there's an exclusive offer. Use the link below to sign up, and your first transfer, up to $800, is free with 0 fees. Opening a Wise account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. If you plan to buy on an exchange that supports bank transfer or debit card deposits, Wise can help you move funds in USD or other major currencies at low cost. Just check that your chosen exchange accepts Wise-funded transfers in your region, and that you're following local regulations. If you want to cut fees before you even hit buy, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and claim your $800 fee-free transfer.